the world's first snoring application for Apple's iPhone and iPod.
It is getting more and more clear that sleep apnea can be the cause of high blood pressure, stroke, increased heart rate variability, myocardial infarct, and diabetes.
It's available from iTunes. Reduce Snore, our special mouthpiece approved by Swedish ENT doctors and dentists with a money-back guarantee. Now there's MegaVent, our unique, soft, and flexible nasal dilator. Together, they'll stop most snoring problems. Thanks for visiting sleepapps.com.